If you're thinking about buying a home and feeling overwhelmed by home loan process, don't worry, you're not alone. The journey toward homeownership can seem complicated, especially when you're trying to navigate through so many things such as borrowing capacity, government grants, loan options, interest rates, stamp duty, and paperwork. However, with a little guidance and some clear steps, you can turn this daunting process into an exciting and manageable adventure. Hi, I'm Amit Singh, and in this video, I'll walk you through the 7-step home loan process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to prepare for every stage of your journey to home ownership. If you stick around until the end of this video, I'll drop a link where you can download a free copy of the 7-step home buying blueprint. Trust me, you won't want to miss this valuable resource. Let's dive in. Step 1. Discussing your needs. The first step is all about discussing your needs. This is where we sit down, whether in person, over the phone, or via video chat, to understand your unique financial situation and home ownership goals. We'll talk about things like your income, liabilities, and living expenses, savings, and how much deposit you have, credit history, your ideal property type, budget, and location, your home purchase timeframe. Think of this as setting the foundation for your home buying journey. The more we understand your needs, the better we can help you find the right loan to match your lifestyle and future goals. One of the biggest mistakes homebuyers make is going straight to a bank or lender to discuss their needs. Yes, this is definitely one of the biggest mistakes, and I've got a more detailed video on this that you can watch. But for now, here are the key points. I get it. Heading straight to your bank seems like the easiest thing to do, especially if you've been with them for a while. But here's the catch. Banks only show you their own products, and that doesn't mean they're the best fit for you. Here's why you should consider experienced mortgage brokers like us. Flexibility. Banks are pretty limited in what they offer, and their loans might not match what you really need. A mortgage broker like us, however, has access to a bunch of different lenders and loan options, meaning we can find something that's way more flexible for your situation. More loan options. When you go to a bank, you're stuck with what they have on their shelves. But brokers like us got the whole market to work with, so you get to compare more options and choose something that works for you. Better rates. One of the best things about using a broker like us is that we can often get you better rates than you'd get walking into a bank. We know the ins and outs of the market and can negotiate better deals, saving you money over time. Suited to you. Everyone's financial situation is different. A mortgage broker like us takes the time to get to know your needs and will find a loan that works for your life and goals. Not just push whatever's easiest for the bank. Best interest duty. As mortgage brokers, we have a best interest duty, which means we are legally required to act in your best interest. Our job is to find a loan that suits your needs, not just push a product because it's the easiest option for us. This is something that doesn't apply to banks. A bank is only obligated to offer you their own products, and they can recommend loans that might not actually be the best fit for your situation. So they could push a loan simply because it benefits them, not necessarily because it's right for you. No fee service. No fee service means you get all the benefits of our expert advice and support from us, completely at no charge to you. We don't charge you any fees for our services because our commission comes from the lender, not from you. This arrangement lets us focus on finding you the best home loan options without adding any extra costs to your journey. So, before you rush to your bank, think about working with a highly experienced mortgage broker like us. You'll have more options, better rates, and a loan that actually suits you. I've dropped a link in the description section below so you can book your free home buying strategy session with us. Step 2. Exploring loan options. Once we understand your needs, we move on to exploring loan options. There are plenty of different loan products out there, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, that's where we come in. We'll compare different loans based on interest rates, fixed versus variable, loan features like offset accounts or redraw facilities, loan terms, repayment frequency, and repayment options. Our job is to help you understand the pros and cons of each option so you can make an informed decision that suits your budget and long-term financial goals. But to start this, you'll need to provide some documents like proof of income, like pay slips or tax returns, bank statements for salary credit, savings, and living expenses, ID, personal identification documents like driver license and passport. Once we have your documents, we'll perform a thorough review of your income, expenses, liabilities, credit score, and savings. This helps us determine your loan eligibility and how much you can borrow. We will research and compare different loan options based on your financial profile, goals, objectives, and requirements. We will also evaluate your eligibility for first home buyer benefits, including stamp duty exemptions, grants, and schemes such as the First Homeowner Grant, FOG, or the First Home Guarantee Scheme, and provide you guidance accordingly. Step 3. Presenting your loan options. Now that we've done all the research, it's time to present your loan options to you. We will provide you with a personalized credit proposal, also called as client profile and recommendation, outlining loan solutions and recommendations tailored to your financial situation and goals, ready for your review and signature. We'll break down the best choices for you, clearly explaining the loan amount, interest rates, and loan term, any fees associated with the loan, repayment amount and repayment frequency like weekly or monthly. At this stage, disclosure, clarity, and transparency are our top priorities. We'll answer all your questions to ensure you fully understand the recommended loan option before moving forward. We'll break down the differences between fixed rate, variable rate, and interest-only loans, showing you how each aligns with your financial needs. In addition, we'll walk you through key loan features, such as offset accounts, redraw facilities, and extra repayments, and explain how they can be customized to fit your unique situation. Ultimately, our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make the best decision for your future. Step 4. Securing your loan. Pre-approval. Once you've selected the loan that suits you best, it's time to secure your pre-approval. To submit your pre-approval application, we'll need you to sign the credit proposal and the lender's privacy consent document, which we'll send over for your signature. At the same time, we'll send you an IDIU link to upload your ID documents. Once you've uploaded them, we'll arrange a video call to verify that your face matches the ID, an important step to protect your identity in today's digital world. After we submit your application, the lender will review it and might request additional information or documents. If that happens, we'll reach out to you immediately. Once the lender is satisfied with your application, they will issue a conditional approval and send us the approval letter, which we'll then forward to you. This conditional approval essentially serves as your pre-approval. Pre-approval gives you the green light from a lender to borrow a certain amount, subject to conditions. It's a powerful tool that shows sellers you're serious and ready to buy. With pre-approval in hand, you can house hunt with confidence, knowing exactly what you can afford. Some lenders offer what's called a tick and flick type of approval, also known as auto approval or system approval. This means they don't actually check the details, they just approve loans based on the information you provide. The problem is, if any of this information turns out to be incorrect later, during the final loan approval process, your loan can be declined. So never settle for a tick and flick approval or auto approval. We always go the extra mile to organise a fully assessed pre-approval for our clients, ensuring there are no surprises or issues when it comes time for the final loan approval. Step 5. Finding your ideal home. Now comes the fun part, finding your ideal home. With pre-approval sorted, you're ready to start house hunting. Here are a few quick tips to help you find the perfect property. List your must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Research different suburbs and neighbourhoods. Shortlist properties that meet your selection criteria. Attend open houses and ask plenty of questions. Negotiate terms and make realistic offer. If you like a property, pay initial deposit if your offer is accepted. Sign purchase contract. And remember, don't rush. Take your time to find a property that feels right for you and fits your lifestyle. Step 6. Finalizing your loan. Formal approval. Once you've found the perfect property and signed a purchase contract, it's time to finalize your loan for formal approval. After you sign the purchase contract, please send us a copy. Also, we may need an updated financial documents, like your recent payslips or bank statements for the formal application. If additional documents are required, we'll let you know. Next, we'll arrange an independent property valuation to confirm the home's value. If there's a shortfall, The difference between the purchase price and the appraised value will inform you right away. Once we have all the necessary documents, we'll submit your home loan application for formal approval. After that, the lender will review your application and may ask for more information. If they do, we'll contact you promptly. If we anticipate that your loan won't be formally approved within the cooling-off period in New South Wales, or by the finance expiry date in other states, we'll advise you to speak with your solicitor or conveyancer about requesting an extension, and we'll let you know how many extra days you'll need. When the lender is satisfied with your application, they'll issue a formal, unconditional approval and send us the approval letter, which we'll forward to you. Once you receive it, please forward the letter to your solicitor or conveyancer and follow their instructions to pay the deposit. Usually 10% or the negotiated amount minus your initial deposit into the real estate trust account. Whilst we are by your side through loan approval step, ensure it comes on time, you must complete 1. Purchase contract legal review, and 2. Building and pest inspection in parallel. Step 7. Getting the keys to your new home. The final and most exciting step. Getting the keys to your new home, which happens on the settlement day. Here are a few things that you must do for settlement to occur. Review and sign lender's loan documents. Organise building insurance and provide building insurance. Certificate of currency. Transfer shortfall amount as advised by your solicitor or conveyancer. Complete pre-settlement inspection in the morning of settlement day. Your solicitor or conveyancer will book settlement with relevant parties. You do not need to be physically present. In most states, it is done digitally via PEXA. During settlement, your lender will transfer the funds to the seller, and the property will officially be transferred to you. Once you receive settlement completion confirmation, your solicitor or conveyancer, get in touch with the selling agent to collect the keys to your new home and start the next chapter of your life. Congratulations! You're officially a homeowner, but this is just the beginning. We're here to offer continuous guidance. Whether your financial situation evolves, you choose to refinance down the road, or you aim to build an investment property portfolio for a wealthier, more secure future. So we will maintain regular contact with you. And that's it, your complete guide to the 7-step home loan process. Let's quickly recap. Step 1, discussing your needs. Step 2, exploring loan options. Step 3, presenting your loan options. Step 4, securing your loan pre-approval. Step 5, finding your ideal home. Step 6, finalizing your loan. Formal approval. Finally, Step 7, getting the keys to your home. At Mortgage Empire, we're here to make every step as easy and stress-free as possible. If you're ready to start your home loan journey or need more information, reach out to us today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.